Hi, so this is me again, a working full-time mom who's bringing my child to work. Kanina may nabasa ako, sabi doon, if your job allows you to pick up your kids from school and be present at all their events, then you have already made it in life. Nako talaga yung attention ko rito. Kasi ako, we are so grateful na pwede kong dalhin yung anak ko sa trabaho ko. Everyday, dala-dala ko siya. And I'm so thankful na andyan ako sa lahat ng mga events niya, lahat ng mga milestones niya. So, mom with me at work, ito yung everyday scenario namin na work ako sa other side at the same time mother ako in my other side. Pero wala namang nako-compromise kasi hindi rin naman nadi-disturb yung work ko. She has her own space sa tabi ko at saka she has her own learning materials and toys na nilalaro niya. And nap time din niya yung 1 o'clock until 4 in the afternoon. And I will always be grateful for this setup.